Looking to make some extra cash in your spare time? Look no further. In this exciting video, I will show you how to easily earn free PayPal money right from your phone. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some pocket money, this method is perfect for anyone. With just a few simple steps, you can start earning extra income and have it deposited directly into your PayPal account. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to turn your spare time into real cash. Watch now and start getting paid today. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now let's get started. Get paid for taking surveys on your phone with AtterPoll app. Yes, it's that simple. Just install the app and take surveys for money in your spare time. In the app, it will show you how much you get paid for successfully completing a survey. The amounts tend to be higher for surveys that are looking for very specific demographics or qualifications. Once your responses are reviewed and accepted by the company that created the survey, the money will be added to your balance in the app. You can choose which surveys you want to take. You can also invite your friends and get a referral bonus. First, you need to download and install the AtterPoll Paid Surveys app. After logging into your account, you need to check the Invite Friends tab, and there you will be able to find your referral code. This code is unique for everyone. Users who refer friends will have different unique codes. Refer a friend, and you'll get 10% of their survey earnings for a lifetime. The payment thresholds are low, which means you can cash out pretty fast. Choose between instant PayPal payouts, gift cards, or one of the other payment methods. Join the thousands of people who have already discovered this incredible opportunity and start earning today. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your spare time into real money. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.